Hi everyone. Before you spend big money on a truck bed cover, there's one thing I'd check first. Does the cheaper one actually stay tight, keep gear dry, and not rattle around on the highway? Today I'm talking about the MOSTPLUS 5.5-foot quad-fold tonneau cover, and I've been using it on an F-150 setup. I wanted something practical, not overly complicated, and not ridiculously expensive. My main goals were pretty simple. Cover the truck bed, keep luggage and gear more protected, make the truck look cleaner, and still be able to access the bed without fighting with the cover every time. The first thing I noticed was how manageable the installation was. This is not one of those projects where you need to set aside half a day, drill into the truck, or call someone over just to hold parts in place. I installed it by myself, and it took roughly 20 to 30 minutes once I had everything laid out. I did have to pause a couple times and think through the clamp placement, because the instructions could definitely be better. They are not the clearest, and there was at least one step that felt like it should have been explained more clearly. But the cover itself is simple enough that you can figure it out without too much frustration. Once it was positioned correctly, everything lined up nicely. The fit on the truck was tight, and it sat low enough that it didn't look bulky or awkward. That was a big deal for me, because some bed covers can look like an afterthought, almost like a box sitting on top of the bed rails. This one has a cleaner, lower profile look, and from the side of the truck, it really blends in well. The clamps are also important with this style of cover, and overall, they've been solid. The key is taking a little extra time to adjust them correctly. If you rush that part, you may get some movement or slop, but once they're tightened down properly, the cover feels secure. I didn't have to keep stopping to readjust anything after driving around. At highway speeds, I was specifically watching for flapping, shifting, or that annoying vibration you sometimes get with cheaper covers, and I didn't have a problem with it. The quad-fold design is one of my favorite parts. I had used a roll-up style before, and this just feels more flexible for how I use the truck. Being able to fold it back in sections makes it easier when I only need partial access to the bed. I can open it halfway, load what I need, and still keep part of the bed covered. On a truck with a bed extender, that halfway open position is especially useful, because it still allows the extender to flip out fully. If you're thinking about getting one, I actually found a pretty good price on this. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. For day-to-day use, the cover has done exactly what I needed it to do. I've used it to keep luggage and other items in the bed during trips, and it gave me a lot more confidence leaving things back there. It does not have its own lock, so that's something to know up front. But the way it's designed, it can't really be opened from outside the bed unless the tailgate is open. So if your tailgate is secured, the cover adds a useful layer of protection. Weather protection has also been better than I expected. I've had it out in rain, and everything in the bed stayed dry. Now, I always keep realistic expectations with tonneau covers, because just about any truck bed cover can let a small amount of water in, depending on the truck, the angle, the seals, and the weather. But in my use, I have not had a leak issue. For luggage, tools, and normal cargo, it has done the job well. The sturdiness is another area where this cover surprised me. It doesn't feel flimsy when you're opening and closing it, and the panels have a solid feel. It's also not so heavy that one person can't move it around or install it alone. That balance is nice, because I wanted something sturdy without feeling like I needed help every time I removed or adjusted it. The cover feels like it should hold up well with regular use. I also like how clean it makes the truck look. A covered bed just gives the whole truck a more finished appearance. On a black cover, the surface can get hot in the sun, which is worth mentioning. If your truck is a lighter color, the black contrast may stand out more. I've seen this kind of cover painted to match an ice blue truck, and it actually looked good after being sprayed with auto paint. That may not be something everyone wants to do, but it's nice to know the cover can still function well even after that kind of customization. There are a couple of minor negatives. The biggest one for me is the instruction quality. Installation is not hard, but the directions don't make it as smooth as they could. If you're someone who likes very detailed step-by-step instructions, you might be annoyed at first. Also, make sure all the hardware is there before starting. In my case, the installation worked out, but I can see how a missing nut or clamp part would slow things down. A simple hardware store replacement can solve a small issue, but obviously, it's better when everything arrives complete. I also noticed that shipping can be a little rough on a product like this. A small ding near one of the folding joints would not surprise me, just because it's a large item with moving sections. As long as the cover folds properly, seals correctly, and clamps down securely, a tiny cosmetic mark may not affect the actual use. Still, it's something I'd check before installing. Overall, the MOSTPLUS 5.5-foot quad fold cover feels like a strong value. It's easy enough to install alone, it fits cleanly, it looks good on the truck. And it gives the bed a more secure, more useful setup. The quad fold layout is practical. The clamps hold well when adjusted correctly, and it has handled rain and driving without giving me problems. Would I call it perfect? Not quite. The instructions could be clearer, and I'd double-check the hardware right away. But for the price, the look, and the way it performs, I think it gets a lot right. If you want a functional tonneau cover that doesn't feel cheap once it's installed, this one is definitely worth considering. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to leave them in the comments below.